Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix language bar is missing here in our Windows, especially here aligning the taskbar. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to search for settings. Once you've typed it, go for the mismatch and click on open to proceed. So here at the settings, go directly to the left side of your screen where you can see a list of the options. Here you need to go with time and language, which is next to accounts. Click on it, and there you can see four options. In our case, we need to proceed to typing, which contains touch keyboard, text suggestions, and preferences. Tap it to proceed again, and here you need to go with advanced keyboard settings, which has this gear icon. Okay, click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see an option here which large language bar. Okay, just have to click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open this text services and input language. Okay, under the language bar, you need to turn on this floating on desktop and make sure that this show text levels on the language bar is checked. Click on apply and then okay. Once you're done, make sure that this is unchecked and then close this window. So the moment you've closed and enabled the floating in desktop, you would be able to see now the language bar aligning your taskbar in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.